young ones of animals and birds. The young one of sheep is a lamb. The young one of cow is calf. The young one of horse is a foal. The young one of goat is a colt. The young one of lion is a cub. The young one of dog is puppy. The young one of hen is chicken. The young one of cat is kitten. The young one of pig is piglet. The young one of elephant is a calf. The young one of rabbit is a kit. The young one of deer is fawn. The young one of duck is duckling.